Hello, contemporary art class. I hope you can hear me. I'm trying to be a little quiet because it's the holidays and my husband's family is here and they're out there watching a movie. So I'm hiding in the bedroom recording this welcome video. I know a lot of you are probably feeling busy too, and I hope you enjoyed your holidays. I know the intercession class can feel like kind of a whirlwind starting right after New Year's, but it will be fun. So I just wanted to tell you a few words about the class, let you know what you're in for. First of all, my name's Kara Smulovitz. I'll be your online instructor. I've been an art history professor for about 15 years, and I teach in person at Mesa as well as online classes. You can always contact me. Feel free to email if you have any questions, comments, even if you just want to say hi, introduce yourself over email. I'm happy to hear from you. So this class covers recent art, basically art since the 1960s, though we'll go to a few older things than that. It's an art history class, so of course it's about learning not just about artists' lives and, what the paintings look like or what the sculptures look like, but also about how people have defined art in different time periods, the history of how we think about art. It's a fun class, but it goes fast. The intercession is a 16-week class crammed down into 4 weeks. So it goes quadruple speed. You should expect to log in pretty much every day. There's a lot of readings, there's some projects. It is a lot of fun, but because it's the compressed semester, it is a lot of work. So I just want to make sure you're not surprised. When you're ready, log into Canvas if you haven't already and read the syllabus, watch the syllabus video, take the syllabus quiz, and then you'll get started with an introduction assignment. Try and jump in right away if you can. And again, be sure to reach out if you have any questions. Okay, hope you're doing well.